Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Kawasaki Z1300. This beast is turning heads, and we can't wait to break down what makes it a standout in the naked bike segment. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Z1300 carries on the legacy of its predecessors, but adds a modern twist. The aggressive lines and sharp angles give it a muscular stance, and that signature Z styling is unmistakable. The full LED lighting not only enhances visibility but also gives the bike a fierce look, especially at night. And check out that aerodynamic bodywork. It's designed to reduce drag and improve performance, which we'll discuss shortly. Now, let's pop the hood and talk about what powers this beauty. The Z1300 features a 1300 Xingyin 6 engine, delivering a thrilling 160 horsepower. That's right, this bike is all about power. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight corners, the Z1300 offers an exhilarating ride. The smooth power delivery and responsive throttle make it a joy to ride in any condition. But power isn't everything. The Z1300 is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your riding experience. The full-color TFT display provides all the information you need at a glance: speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. And let's not forget about the riding modes. With options like Sport, Rain, and Tour, you can customize the bike's performance to match your riding style and conditions. Handling is key on a bike like this, and the Z1300 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a premium suspension system, it features fully adjustable front and rear shocks that provide excellent stability and comfort. The bike feels planted, even at high speeds, and you can tackle those curves with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting, the Z1300 is designed to inspire confidence. Comfort is crucial for long rides, and Kawasaki has nailed it with the Z1300. The seat is plush, and the riding position is upright, allowing for easy maneuverability without sacrificing comfort. There's even optional storage available, making it practical for longer journeys. So whether you're commuting or touring, this bike has you covered. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki Z1300 is an impressive blend of power, technology, and comfort. It's a motorcycle that's built to thrill while ensuring you enjoy every ride. If you're in the market for a naked bike that stands out from the crowd, this 1300 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for joining me on this ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and motorcycle content. See you next time.